4 shatterproof jars to handle every job. This food blender includes 4 jars so you'll always have the right size on hand. It comes with one large 32 ounces jar with lid, one 8 ounces grinding jar with shaker lid, and two 16 ounces travel jars with drinking lids. Blend smoothies, make salsa and more. This versatile Hamilton Beach smoothie blender is perfect for making smoothies and icy drinks. Or use pulse to prepare salsas, purees, sauces and more. Powerful blending performance, from making milkshakes and smoothies to food prep tasks such as mixing, pureeing, chopping and grinding. This mixer grinder blender has 650 watts of peak power and stainless steel blades for powerful performance. Blend and go with 2 travel jars with drinking lids. This combination Hamilton Beach blender includes 2 16 ounces travel jars with drinking lids. Blend shakes, fruit smoothies, and other favorite drinks right in the travel jar, then grab and go. Grinds hard cheeses, nuts and spices, includes grinding jar. The included 8 ounces grinding jar can be used for chopping or finely grinding. It has a handy shaker/storage lid so you can grind, store, and serve from the same container. Top reviews from the United States. Works well and gets the job done. I love that this blender came with blender cups and one chopping cup. I love my new blender. I had purchased a cheaper blender in 2017. I was using a lot this year for making green smoothies, because I was on the J.J. Smollett 10-day green smoothie cleanse. I got this because my blender was not working that night and it needed to start the cleanse the next day. It did come, but thank God my old blender started to work again. Since using it a lot recently for the cleanse and after cleanse my old blender stopped working and I had this blender as a backup. Glad I purchased this blender. It works well. Much more power than my last $12 blender from Amazon called Westinghouse, I believe. Anyway, you will not regret your purchase. I love this blender. I was going to give this as a gift, but glad I did not.